Hello everybody, it is Andrea, your global voice and your personal accountability coach under the mentorship of Dr. Les Brown. Well, I'm back into nature where it all started. If you don't remember, here was the bridge that I crossed 2 or 3 years ago when it all started with the world shutting down and I began my journey. And also, it is just amazing. What bridges do you have coming about that you have to cross, that you want to make? Don't be afraid. Don't worry about to look back. Don't worry about to look forward. It is all good. It's the stages of life. And that's what it's about. It's about making changes, crossing bridges, making milestones, and going to the next level. You have to know where you've been to where you're going, and know that the path ahead is ready and waiting for you. I will pick up on this video and give you some more as I'm taking it in segments, as I am going off grid right before the fall season, and just take it all in. Embrace nature, embrace life. Again, this 2 years ago was where it all started, where I decided to make a declaration to learn and teach everyone how to press play, plan life according to you. Don't worry. Trust the process. Trust that everything's going to work out, and whatever you can't handle, they will handle. I'll see you real soon. So yes, everybody, life is what you make of it. Have you ever found yourself confused and stressed and worried? Well, look into nature, these green pastures. Listen to the cicadas, the birds, the sounds. Get out into nature and find your inner peace. But once you find peace with the world, you will find peace within. It is important that you understand how powerful your mindset, how powerful your environment is, and what you invest in your mind, body, and soul. So I thank you for listening. I thank you for watching. As I said, going back to the basics, going back to the beginning. If you check out my website, andreamasons.com, and you check out the beginning videos that I started over 2 years ago, as I'm approaching 700 videos on YouTube, Andrea Mason, your personal accountability coach, you will be amazed, intrigued, and recognize this landscape, the pastures, the greenery, and nature. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.